Alright guys, I found this guy in Vietnam who makes amazing wood carvings. Ah, there you go. There's a hint. That's what he's making. Watch till the end to see how he does the windscreen and how it all comes together. So good. Yeah, if I tried that, I'd have no fingers left. Definitely all fingers gone. Alright, here we go. So he's starting with the side. This is really cool, guys. I found out that wood carving is a massive industry in Vietnam. I heard the country made $10 billion in 2019 with exporting wood carvings. Never knew that. See how he cuts out each panel individually so they can all move? That's super cool. Yeah, here's the front. Carving out that Toyota logo. Oh, look how intricate it looks. And the final touches. Boom, you've got the front of the car. Now he's working on the rear headlights. Oh, see how all those individual door panels are being fitted? And the windows as well. So it's not just one big block of wood, it's individual panels. Even the little door handles with the holes. Doors going on. Man, I wonder how long it took him to learn how to do this. This is some skill. Carving out the little windows. And boom, here we go, we got all the parts. Okay, we're ready. Show us. All right, nails are coming in. Yes, starting to take shape. Ah, look how the back moves. That's so cool. Roof goes on, door panels in. Windows being fitted. Ah, look at that. And the back is on, and there you go. Toyota Land Cruiser. He's so good at this. You can totally see that it's a Toyota Land Cruiser. My dad has that car. Now he's engraving all the tread marks on the tyres. That's pretty cool. Alright, nearly finished. It can actually turn. All the wheels can turn. Hood goes on. Boom! Oh, tinted windscreen! It must live in Dubai. On the back lights. Oh, that's really cool that they're red. Not just in wood. That's pretty cool. Look how the boot opens! And all the doors. That's mad. Wow. Alright, there we go. Toyota Land Cruiser. It's even got the little Land Cruiser written on it. Please take it out. Come on. Show us what it can do. Oh, yes! Look at it go! It even looks like it's been through the desert. Love it. Alright.